China's high-speed rail system is one of the most advanced in the world. Here are 10 great things about it. Super-fast travel trains. Reach speeds of 250 to 400 kilometers per hour, cutting travel time significantly. Punctual and reliable unlike flights. High-speed trains rarely experience delays. Largest network in the world, China has the longest high-speed rail system, covering over 40,000 kilometers. Affordable and cost-effective. Tickets are cheaper than flights, making travel more accessible. Eco-friendly high-speed rail reduces carbon emissions compared to air and car travel. Connects major cities, links big and small cities, improving accessibility for travelers. Comfortable and spacious modern trains offer large seats, quiet cabins and smooth rides. Advanced technology features smart ticketing, AI-powered scheduling and high-tech safety systems. Boosts economy and tourism. Helps businesses grow and makes travel easier for tourists. Constant innovation. China continues to improve its rail system, making it faster and more efficient.